second installment of the avocado saga. Not so easy to do when I only have one hand. Okay, last bite. Oh, missed it. I missed it. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's all I got. You ate it all. What a good boy.